What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, home improvement expert from Hire It Done. I always hear from homeowners who like to tackle projects around the house themselves. That's why we've put together this do-it-yourself series to help you next time you're ready to embrace your inner weekend warrior. Hope you enjoy the video. Today's quick tip is how to switch your screen door for a storm door, or vice versa. This particular door doesn't use screws and brackets. Instead, it has these two long plastic inserts that hold the glass or screen in place. And the only tool you really need for this is a good-sized flathead screwdriver. To remove the plastic insert, simply pry it out with the screwdriver using this vertical slot at the top. Then, the whole piece pretty much pulls out by hand with little effort needed. Reinstalling can be a little trickier, but there's no need to walk away in frustration. First, set your screen or glass panel in your door and make sure it sits flush. Then, line up one of the plastic inserts along one of the side gaps between the door and the panel. I start at the bottom and pop the insert into the gap by hand, and it does take a little elbow grease to get started. Once you get going though, it's easy to follow along from top to bottom, popping the piece into place as you go. Then, simply rinse and repeat for both sides and you're all set. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and click the like button. If you didn't like it, or if you think you know a better way to tackle a project, then please leave a comment for me below. And if you want more great home improvement content like this, go ahead and subscribe. As always, I'm Adam Helfman with Hire It Done, and I'll see you in the next video.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.